For math today, we are continuing to work on subtracting. We're going to be working on more math boxes and subtracting. We're also going to look at how to take our numbers from our math boxes and create a number sentence that shows subtracting. Okay, so first we're going to go with there are 7 ants. Okay, so we have 7 ants. 7 is our whole number. We cannot have any more ants than the 7. So we can't be adding. Adding would make more ants, but we aren't adding more ants. We're figuring out how many are small. 4 of the ants are big. The rest are small. How many are small? In order to set this up, we have to draw our ants. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ants. 4 of them are big. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is me crossing them out. The rest are small. 1, 2, 3. So how many are small? 3. How do we solve this problem? Or how do we write this problem? We'd have 7 minus 4 equals 3. That is how we use a math box and pictures to find out what is 7 minus 4 equal to. Next problem. There are 5 trees. 1 tree is short, the rest are tall. How many trees are tall? So, setting up my math box. How many trees are there? Did you say 5? You're right. 5 trees. 1 of those trees are small. And the rest of those trees are tall. In order to draw this, I'm going to draw 5 trees. One of those trees I'm going to draw short. Here's 1 tree, but I got to keep counting to 5, and now these are tall. 2 trees, 3 trees, 4 trees, and 5 trees. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees. Just like the problem says. The number up here in our math box at the top, showing our whole, shows that there were 5 trees. Now, one of those trees are small. This is 5 minus 1. We have our one small tree and we cross him out. This leaves how many trees are tall? Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 5 minus 1 equals 4. Here's our 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away 1 gives us 4. To write my answer in a number problem, if this is what it looks like, I write 5 minus, it has to be the minus sign because we're taking away and not adding, minus 1 short tree equals 4. You'll notice if you have your hand up and you have 5 and you take 1 away, you're left with 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers standing. Another math problem we're going to look at. Okay, there are 8 birds. 8 birds. How many birds are there? 8. That is our whole number. We cannot have any more birds than 8. One bird flies away, then 2 more birds fly away. So we're going to stop that right now and say 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 birds fly away. How many are left? How many are still there? So we draw our 8 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 birds. 3 fly away. 1, 2, 3. How many birds are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. There are 8 birds. 3 fly away. 5 birds are left. To write this in a number sentence, we have 8 minus 3 equals 5. Let's do one more, okay? Or a couple more. There are 6 bears. 6 bears. 4 are big. The rest are small. How many are small? Well, to set up our math boxes, we have our whole number on the top, our part below, and our other part below. This is how much we don't know. Remember, when we see it lined up like this is 6 minus 4. So think of reading it like that, 6 minus 4. So I have 6 bears. 4 are big. So instead of drawing bears, I'm just going to draw a capital letter B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have 6 bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bears. 4 of those bears are big. The rest are small. How many are small? Think about it. 6 minus 4. This was 6. The whole thing is 6. Whole thing is 6. Take away the 4 that we know that are big, and that leaves us with 2. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. You got that? Now, this one is a really tough one. I want us to think about it. Okay? There are 4 bears. This is one we have to think about. 4 bears. No more than 4. Only 4. Some of them are black. Some of them are brown. There are there are fewer than 2 black bears. Fewer than 2 black bears. So we have 4 bears. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some are brown, some are black. There are fewer than 2 black bears. So the numbers that are fewer than 2 are 0 and 1. Now, if I have 0, that means I have nothing. It is fewer, but it doesn't mean that I have any. Remember, the problem said some are black and some are brown. So there are black ones and there are brown bears. So the only other one that is fewer than 2 and allows me to still have some black bears is the 1 number. So I'm going to come up here and have one black bear. The rest are brown. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I know it's not brown, but it's the best I have right now. So I have one black. We figured out one black. And then how many are brown? We've got 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 brown bears. If we wrote a math problem with this, it would be 4 minus 1 equals 3. You did a really good job. One of your math problems today for practice is going to be a tricky one. I want you to think about that. I'll show you one way to do a tricky one. There are 8 flowers. 8 flowers. 2 flowers are picked. Then 3 more flowers are picked. How many flowers are left in the garden? So I have 8 flowers. 1 flower, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 flowers. 2 get picked. 1 gets picked. 2 gets picked. Then 3 more get picked. 1, 2, 3. So how many flowers are still in the garden? Right here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have 8 minus 2 minus 3 equals 3. Now, for anyone who wants to look at this problem closer and understand what we did here, how many did we actually take away? We took away 2 and we took away 3 more. Well, what is 2 plus 3? It's 5. So we actually had 8 minus 5 equals 3. And we can see that right here. We have 1 gone, 2 gone, 3 gone, 4 gone, 5 gone. 8 minus 5 equals 3. So you'll have a chance today as well to solve that problem too.